welcome to my channel Veg Delight. Today we are gonna make square chocolate pudding. These are the ingredients required. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour powder, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 200 ml of milk. Mix it well so that there are no lumps and then switch on the flame. And then add 300 ml of milk and keep stirring for 5 minutes. It starts to thicken. And then we are gonna add vanilla essence to it. We are gonna use 1 cup of vanilla essence and keep stirring it continuously so that it does not stick to the bottom. Now we are gonna add 150 ml of fresh cream and 100 grams of dark chocolate and stir it for 2 minutes. It's time to set. Allow the chocolate sauce to cool for 20 minutes. Now in a tray, add 30 to 40 crushed Oreo biscuits. Pour the chocolate sauce all over and freeze this for 1 to 2 hours. Cut into squares and our pudding is all ready. For more videos, subscribe Veg Delight.